pandemic situation, I think you all are fine and safe at home. You should be careful in this situation. Okay? Hello children, do you know who am I? I am your new class teacher, Mistress Vanalata Satpathy. You can call me Mistress Vanalata Miss. Okay? Do you know children the English alphabet? English alphabet, how many letters are there? In English alphabet there are 26 letters. Each letter produces a different sounds. You have already know about the phonetic sound of A, B, C, D. What is the phonetic sound of A? That's A. What is the phonetic sound of B? Ba. What is the phonetic sound of C? Kha. And what is the phonetic sound of D? That is the. And now I will start the phonetic sound of E, F and G, H with the interesting story. You can easily understand the phonetic sound of these letters with the story. I will discuss about all these letters with an interesting story. Are you excited to listening the story? Yes, you all are interested. Let's start the phonetic sound of E with the interesting story. Ellie wants to make a breakfast. Ellie was a little girl. She wants to make her breakfast. Then what she did? So she takes some eggs. She takes some eggs into the kitchen. She takes some eggs into the kitchen. To open the eggs, she taps its shells on the side of the pan. Then what happened? When tap the eggs, it sounds eh, eh, eh. What is the E sound? That is eh, 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 eh. Got it? Yes. Then letter after E, which letter come? F. Which letter come? F. Okay. We'll start with the story. There was a fire on a farm. There was a fire on a farm. Fred the fireman fight with the fire. He take out his long hose, and when the water comes out from the hose, it sounds. What is the sound of it? Got it? Okay. Next we will go to letter G. Okay. Geeta is a little girl. She is staying with her granny. Granny means grandmother. You all love your grandmother, yes or no? She lives with her granny, who was big garden with kids and goat. She likes to eat grapes and then she drinks the water and guggle. She drinks the water and guggle. What is the sound? Go, 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 go. What is the sound? Go, 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 go. What is the sound? G, G. What is the G sound? What is the phonetic sound of G? G, G. Then letter H. Helen, Harry, Hanif and Harriet. These four boys hop as fast as they can. But it is a hot day, so hopping is a hard one. Harriet is hopping and popping by the time she finishes. Ha, ha, ha. What is the sound of H? Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Okay children, you have to practice the phonetic sound of E, F, G, H. What is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of F? What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of H? Ha. Okay children, you have to remember this. Thank you. God bless.